Good morning students. Again we will study whole and parts decimal part second. In previous class we also discussed about what is a decimal, how to read and write the decimal or place value of decimal, place value chart, expanded form. Any doubt? No. Then now we study conversion of decimal. Conversion of decimal. First, convert fraction into decimal. Fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. First we 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Then first you look how many zeros in 10. How many zero in 10? How many zeros? Only 1 zero in 10. Therefore, we remove 1 digit from the right hand side of the number. We remove 1 digit from the right hand side of the number. That is here, how many zeros in 10? 1 zero. Therefore, we remove how many digit? 1 digit. Already 1 digit here. You remove 0. This remove. Then you put a 0.7. There this is a 7. We remove this, we put a dot, that is our decimal. There is no whole number here. Therefore, we write 0. Our answer is 0.7. Understand you? Now, 7 by 100. Next question, our 7 by 100. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros in 100. We have, therefore, how many digit we remove? 2 digit. We have only 1 digit. What do you do? Don't worry. You put a 0 from the left hand side of the number. You put 1 0 from the left hand side of the number. What is our answer? 0.07. Understand you? Then another example, 7 by 1000. Third question, 7 by 1000. How many zeros in 1000? How many zeros? 3 zeros. How many digit you remove? 3 digit. You have only 1 digit. How to possible 3 digit you remove? Yes, we put how many zeros we put in the left hand side of the 7? 2 0. 7 here. How many 0 put? 2 0. Then 0.0. Our answer is 0.007. Any doubt? Next, 25 upon 10. Again, 25 upon 10. How many digit we remove? 1 digit. Okay. Which digit we remove? 25 upon 10. Which digit we remove? 5. Okay, answer 2.5. Understand you? Next, 178 upon 10. How many digit we remove? One digit. What is your answer? 17.8. Understand? Then next, 37 upon 100. How many digit we remove? 2 digit. What is your answer? 0.37. Then 148 upon 100. How many? 2 digit. Say the answer. 1.48. You remove 2 digit from the right hand side of the number. Understand you? Then next, decimal into fraction. Decimal into fraction. How to decimal we convert? Decimal into fraction. First, 0.7. First you look after the decimal, how many digits you have. First you look after the decimal, how many digits you have. How many digits? Only 1 digit. Therefore, our denominator is 10. Not understand? Again, first you look decimal, after the decimal, how many digits? After the decimal, how many digits here? 1 digit. Therefore, our denominator is 10. Understand? Then you write our whole number part is 0. Therefore, you don't take this 0, only you take the 7. Understand? Next question, 1.5. First you look, how many decimal place here? How many decimal place? 1. Therefore, you write the denominator is 10. Now, our whole number part is number. Here our whole number part is 0. We don't take the 0. Now, our whole number part is 1. We take 1, 5. We write this number together. Our answer is 15/10. Another example, 1.008. Now look here. After the decimal, how many digits here? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, our denominator is 1000. Understand? Here how many digits here? 3 digits. Therefore, our denominator is 1000. Then we write the number. Here we don't take the 0. Here we take the 0. Why we take the 0 here? Because here are whole number. Now here one more example, 0.005. Look here, 0.005. How many decimal place here? 3 decimal place. Therefore, our denominator is 1000. Now numerator write. I write only in 5. Why? You ask, why you write 5 in only? Because here 0, here also 0, our whole number part is also 0. we only take the number. Here, look here, we take 1 and zeros also we take. Here, the whole number part is a number, then we take all number together. Understand? In both questions you understand? Yes. Next, 3.05. First you look, how many decimal place here? How many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Therefore, your denominator is 100. Then, we write the numerator. Numerator we write 305. Okay. Next, 1.08. 1.08. What is the denominator? 100. Then we write this number also 108. Then 0.05. How many decimal place here? 2 decimal place. We write 100. Then we write only 5. Understand you? We write only 5. Then I think you understand the decimal into fraction, then fraction into decimal. One more question. Convert fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. Then how to write this number? First answer. First you look, how many zeros in 1000? How many zeros in 1000? 3 0. Therefore, how many digit we remove? 3 digit. What is our answer? 0.002. Here, how many zeros in 100? How many zeros? 2 zeros. Therefore, how many digit we remove? 2 digit. We have only one place. We write 0.05. Next, how many zeros in 10? How many zeros? 1 0. How many digit we remove? 1 digit. What is our answer? 0.8. Understand you? Then, like and unlike fraction. Oh, sorry, fraction, no, decimal. Like and unlike decimal. Look here, 3.48, 17.3, then 9.45. Look, 3.48, 17.36, 9.45. Here, you don't look in the whole number part. You only look in decimal part. Only look in decimal part. Here, 2 decimal place. Here, 2 decimal place. Here, 2 decimal place. All are 2 decimal place. Therefore, these decimal numbers are like decimal numbers. These decimal numbers are like decimal numbers. Then 3.485, 17.8, 9.25. Now look here. Here 3, here 1, here 2. Here 3 decimal place, here 1 decimal place, here 2 decimal place. These decimal all are different. All are different. Here 3, here 1, here 2. All are different. These decimal numbers are called unlike decimal numbers. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You do the homework in notebook. Okay.